Hello friends, in this video we are going to discover the best places to visit in Rajasthan. Kindly make sure to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon before we start this video about the Rajasthan tourist places. Also post your favorite places to visit in Rajasthan in the comments below. I'd love to read them and I'm sure others would too. Rajasthan is a state in northern India, and if you're looking forward to visit Rajasthan in the near future but confused about what are the best places to visit in Rajasthan, watch this video till the end to clear all your doubts regarding what are the must-visit places in Rajasthan. Rajasthan, known formerly by the name Rajputana or the Land of the Kings, is the largest state in the Republic of India. It covers an area of 342,239 square kilometers, which is 10.4% of India. This incredible state is a popular travel destination because of its landscape, which includes the immense Thar Desert and the magnificent Aravallis Mountains. As a center of Rajput culture, Rajasthan is also a wonderful place to explore palaces and temples created by Rajput kings of the past. As you crisscross the state, aim to add as many of these incredible places to visit in Rajasthan to your itinerary as possible. Top 5 best places to visit in Rajasthan. Here are some of the most popular tourist places in Rajasthan that you must include on your next Rajasthan travel. Number 1 on the list of best places to visit in Rajasthan is Udaipur. Udaipur is known as the City of Lakes, so it should not come as a surprise that the lakes are a main attraction. Two of the biggest lakes, Fateh Sagar and Pichola, are artificial, but that makes them no less beautiful. The main reason to visit Udaipur is for the chance to explore Udaipur City Palace, a collection of palaces, museums, and gardens in a range of architectural styles. Shrines, temples, royal residences, and art collections are also available to admire within the city palace. Just north of the palace is Jagdish Temple, Udaipur's most famous temple. Dedicated to Lord Vishnu, the temple boasts stunning carvings, and it is now an iconic landmark in the city. Number 2 on the list of best places to visit in Rajasthan is Jaisalmer. Also known as the Golden City, Jaisalmer is a remarkable city right on the fringes of the Thar Desert. The dominating features of Jaisalmer is the Jaisalmer Fort, or Sonar Kila, which is still an inhabited space. Unlike virtually every other fort in India, Jaisalmer is completely functioning, and within the fort you'll find private residences, shops, and even restaurants. Souvenir shopping within the fort is a fun experience, with common souvenirs including bronze statues and silver jewelry. Within the fort's walls, there are also a handful of temples. These Jain temples date back to the 12th century, and most are open to the public in the morning. Number 3 on the list of best places to visit in Rajasthan is Jaipur. The capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur, a bustling city teeming with interesting attractions and things to do. Jaipur forms one corner of the Golden Triangle, and it makes a great gateway into the lesser-known destinations within Rajasthan. There are 3 major forts in Jaipur: Amber Fort, Nahargarh Fort, and Jaigarh Fort. Also worth exploring is the City Palace, a stunning blend of Mughal and Rajput design that is so big most travelers can't see it all in a single day. Jaipur is also home to a number of temples as well as a major bazaar which comes alive each night as the sun sets. Number 4 on the list of best places to visit in Rajasthan is Jodhpur. Jodhpur, or the Blue City, is located on the edge of the Thar Desert. Its colorful nickname comes from the many blue homes in the city, which make it look blue when viewed from above. Filled with forts and temples, Jodhpur is a historic destination with plenty of appeal. No trip would be complete without a tour of the 15th century Marangarh Fort, the largest fort in all of Rajasthan. The fort complex is home to a stunning mirrored hall, intricate sandstone screens in the Zanana Diadai, the Chamunda Mataji temple, and even a number of costumed people who really bring the fort to life. Number 5 on the list of best places to visit in Rajasthan is Pushkar. Pushkar is a holy city, and it is known best for its Brahma temple and its annual camel fair. Brahma is one-third of the Holy Trinity in Hindu religion, and Pushkar is said to be the home of Brahma. The Brahma temple in Pushkar is impossible to miss, especially because of the frequent chanting ceremonies that take place several times a day. Pushkar is also home to several other temples devoted to Vishnu, Savitri, and Shiva. Every November, Pushkar comes alive with a camel fair and Hindu pilgrimage. So, which is your favorite place among the best places to visit in Rajasthan? Rajasthan houses an amazing display of arts and architecture, courtesy of it being a princely state. Well, that's all we have for you today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the content of this video, click the subscribe button so you can receive more content like this. Post your favorite places to visit in Rajasthan in the comments below. I'd love to read them and I'm sure others would too.